Okay, it's calendar time. Let's get started. Hi, and welcome to calendar. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. So I need to write a 1 and a 9, a balloon in the sky with a stick in the back, 19. Tuesday, May 19th. Let's go to our weather tracker. Today's temperature is 72 degrees again, but today is sunny, so I'm going to draw a sun. I'm going to color in my sun. Now I'm going to go over here to the circle graph. We changed our raindrop into a sun, and now I'm going to color a piece of the pie. Sun pie. Alrighty, let's go to our warm-up, our daily warm-ups, and we're going to start on day 23, and we're going to start with commas. Alright, so we're going to start with commas. Add commas to the series of items. So a series means a list. So in the sentence, we're going to be listing things that Mom did, and we have to separate them with a comma, because I'm going to read it right now without a comma. Mother made salad, chicken, and potatoes for dinner. So it sounds like she made salad chicken. I've never heard of salad chicken. Mother made salad, now I pause, chicken, and potatoes for dinner. So Mom made 3 things, so I'm going to separate them with a comma. So it goes right here. Remember, comma's on the ground. So when you have a comma, it means to pause. Mother made salad, chicken, and potatoes for dinner. And that one's done. Moving over here to time. Write the time shown on the clocks. Okay, so you're going to look at the clock. This hand should be all the way up. If it's confusing, you can draw it all the way up. And this hand should be all the way down. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the Jeopardy time to give you time to get your work done. Okay, so when the hand is pointing to the top, well, let's put in our dots. 2. Okay, so when the hand is pointing straight up, we know that in the back it's going to be 0, 0. And then the other hand, the little hand, the hour hand, is pointing straight up too, and that's at the 12. Okay? Now, when the big hand is pointing straight down, we know that means it's 30. In the back, it's 30. Okay? Now I'm going to look at where the 5 is, or the little hand is, and it's in the middle of, it's not on the 5, and it's not on the 6, it's in the middle. So it hasn't gotten to the 6 yet, so I have to go back and say 5:30. Hat, neck, and big fat belly. 5:30. Okay? Our next section is addition. Fill in the missing add-in, the missing number. So what you have to do is put 3 in your head and count to 10, put 8 in your head and count to 15, put 5 in your head and count to 13. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so I put 3 in my head, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 is missing. Put 8 in your head and count to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 again. Put 5 in your head and count to 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8. Snowman head, snowman body. Okay, that section's done. Moving over here to phonics. Decide how the ed sound, the ed sound, in each word and write it in the correct box. So we've done this before. Does the word end with a t sound or a d sound? Okay, so I'm going to read them. We have clapped, hugged, rubbed, and walked. Okay, so you have to decide, is it the t sound? So let's do that one first. T. I'll color it yellow. Listen to when Mrs. Best reads it. Clapped, clapped. She clapped her hands. Has a t sound. Hugged. I hugged my dog. Hugged. Oh, that one's going to go over here. Rubbed. I rubbed my elbow. Rubbed. D over here. Walked. We walked the dog. Walked. Okay, so that one's going to be over here. So if it's yellow, it's going to be over here. And if it's not yellow, it's going to be over here. So we're going to have to write small, remember? We're practicing writing small for 2nd grade. Clapped and walked. Over here, we're going to write hugged, hang down monkey tail, and rubbed. Okay, that section's done. Okay, we're going to be putting numbers in order. Put the numbers in order from greatest to least. Great has to be first, the biggest. All right, so I want you to look at the number in the tens place because that is going to help you. That is going to help you be able to see which is the greatest. Okay, so 8, 2, 6, and 3. 8 is the largest, so that means 83 is the greatest number. So I'm going to write 83 here and draw a line through it. So now I'm going to compare 2, 6, and 3. So the next largest one is 6, so 68. Draw a line through it. Now compare 2 and 3. 3 is larger, so 32. And our last one, 26. Okay, one more section. Word problem. There were 12 rabbits in our yard. 5 rabbits hopped away. How many rabbits are left in the yard? So our important information is 12 and 5. And I want to know, they hopped away. So when I have the word away, that tells me the problem is subtraction. Very good. So I'm going to write 12, take away 5, equals what? That's what we have to find out. So to find the answer, you put 5 in your head and count to 12. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 rabbits are left in the yard. And we're done with day 23. And I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great day.